See here, problem set 33. Hope you have solved till here. Question number 2. A ribbon is 3 meters long. Can be cut into 50 centimeter pieces and have nothing left over. Write the reason why or why not. See here, now what we are supposed to do, a ribbon is 3 meters long. This is not 3 meters actually, this is small, but for paper work I have shown you this is 3 meter long, and you have to cut the pieces of ribbon. So each piece should be 50 centimeters. Okay, so either you convert this to centimeter or this to meter. Let's see now, 3 meter means how many centimeters? It is 300 centimeter. Okay, so we have to see that the number 50 can be divisible by, okay, so those numbers can be divisible by each other. So let's see whether you can divide this ribbon by 50 centimeters, and nothing should be left, not a small piece should be left. So what you will do, you will divide this 300 by 50. Okay, so how many pieces you will get? Let's see, 300 divided by 50. So the easy way to divide is 0 we will cancel as it gets divided. So 5 6 are 30. We will get 6 pieces of this ribbon which is of 50 centimeter long each. Okay, so therefore you can divide the ribbon by 50 centimeter pieces and have nothing left over. That means this 300 or 3 meter is easily divisible by 50 centimeter. The second also is the same sum. A ribbon is 3 meters long. You require 8 pieces of this ribbon 40 centimeter long. How many centimeters shorter is the ribbon than the length I need? Now the same thing, a ribbon is 3 meters long. Now 3 meters means, as you know, that is 300 centimeter. Okay, so you have to divide that into 8 pieces, that is each of 40 centimeter. This should be 40 centimeter. You should get 8 pieces of 40 centimeter. Okay, like that 8 pieces should be 40 centimeter. So whether we can divide this 300 centimeter by 40. See, 4 and 30 you see is not divisible. 30 is not divisible by 4. So this will be not divided. If you divide and get the answer how much less ribbon you require. Okay, so that will be, we will divide this way, 44, 4 sevens are 28. Okay, so we will get, that is 20. Okay, this number is less 40 and this number is less than 40, so it will be not divisible. Therefore 20 centimeter ribbon is less to make 8 pieces of 40 centimeter. See, that means you will get only 7 pieces, not 8 pieces. Okay, so that answer you have to write. How you will write the answer? You will write the given ribbon is 3 meters long. Number of pieces required 8 and length of each piece is 40 centimeter. So whether the ribbon is short or how much more ribbon you require. So you will divide 300 by 40. Okay, then you will get 7 pieces. Okay, how much ribbon is short? That is 20 centimeter is shorter. Okay, I'll write and give you afterwards all the notes, so you will just understand what we require to learn here. The next concept what you are going to learn here is, last year also you must have studied, but still now the prime numbers composite numbers. See all the numbers what we have from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, no 5. All these numbers what we call them as whole numbers. Okay. These are whole numbers. Counting numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, infinite till last. These are called as natural numbers. These are used for counting numbers. Whole numbers are also counting numbers, but the 0 is included here. So we call them as whole numbers. And these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all these are called as the natural numbers. Now the numbers are being classified. These natural numbers require to classify because of the factors in them. Okay, you know the factors now. So let's classify the numbers according to their factors. Suppose I have taken 2, 3, 15, 16, 18, 20, 21, 23, or I'll take 17, 25, 26, all those numbers, okay, 27. Now the factors of 2 is 1 and 2, okay, 1 2s is 2. So the factors of 2 are 1 and 2. Factor of 3, 1 and 3. Factor of 15, 15 is in whose table? 15 is in 1's table, 15 is in 3's table, 15 is in 5's table, and 15 is in 15's table. So factors means any two number you multiply you get 15. Okay, 3 into 5, 15. Okay, 5. So 1 into 15, that is 15. All these numbers you get by multiplying. These are called as factors. 16. Who are the factors of 16? 1, 2, 4. 16 is in whose table? 8 and 16. Okay, any two number you multiply, 2 8s are 16, 4 4s are 16. Okay, 16 1s are 16. So for that you require different numbers to get these 16. So these are called as factors. Factor of 18. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 6. 18 is in 6 table, 18 is in 9's table, and 18 is in 18's table. Okay, so 2 9s are 18, 3 6s are 18, 18 1s are 18, 20. Factor of 20, let's see. 1, 2 10s are 20, 4 5s are 20, 5 4s are 20, then 10 2s are 20, and 20 1s are 20. 21's factor, let's see. 1 21s are 21, 3 7s are 21, 7 3s are 21, and 21 1s are 20. Factor of 23, let's see. 23 is in whose table, that we have to find out. 1 23s are 23. 23 is there in 2's table? No. 23 is there in 3's table? No. 4s, 5s, that we have to think. 23 is not there in any table, so it is its own. 17 also is in 1's table and 17 itself. 25 is in 1's table, 5's table, and 25's table. 26 is in 1's table, 2's table, then 13 and 26 itself. 27 is in 1's table, 3, 9 and 27 itself. Now you see some of these numbers have many factors. Okay, these numbers you could see they have many factors, more than 2. Okay, but some numbers are here like this 17, 2, 3, 23. These numbers you see they have the factor 1 and 17, they themselves. not any other number. So these numbers we call them as prime numbers, okay, which have factor as 1 as well as they themselves are the factor. No other number you multiply could get these numbers. Okay, only 1 and 17. So 1 17s are 17, 1 2s are 2, 1 3s are 1 is multiplied by every number, but here what happens here in prime number, they are only multiplied by 1, not by any other number. So these numbers are called as prime numbers, and those who have more than 2 factors, these are called as composite numbers. So prime numbers are having factor 1 and 17, composite numbers having factor more than 2. Problem set 33. Again this sum, that is sum number 4, we will do it another method. A ribbon is 3 meters long. I need 8 pieces of this ribbon, each 40 centimeter long. How many centimeters shorter is the ribbon than the length I need? 40 centimeter each piece. So how many pieces we require? 8 pieces. So you can multiply 40 by 8. So 3 meters long means this ribbon is 3 meters long. That means it is 300 centimeters long. Okay, we require 40 centimeter each piece. How many we require? 8. So 8 zeros are 0 and 8 fours are 32. We require 320 centimeter ribbon, but our ribbon is only 300 centimeter. So therefore what happens here? 320 minus 300. We are short with how much centimeter ribbon? We are short with 20 centimeter ribbon. That means you require more 20 centimeter. That means you require 320 centimeter ribbon to get 8 pieces. Okay, now we are going to study a next concept, that is co-prime numbers. Some numbers are called as co-prime. Okay, co-prime means suppose there are two numbers like 20 and 21. I'll take two numbers for example. The factor of 20 is 1, 2, 5, 10 and 20. The factor of 21, 1, 3, 7 and 21. Now in those factors you will find the common factor is 1. Okay, they have common factor 1, so we call them as co-prime numbers. 20 and 21 are co-prime numbers. Okay, so their common factor is only 1. We will take any other number which they have given here. Okay, we'll take one more example as 12 and 18. Now you see here their factors. 12's factor is 1, 2, 6, 3 also, 4 also and 12 also. Okay, 18's factor you see 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. Okay, in that common factors are many. 1 is common, 2 is common, 3 is common, 6 is common. So these are not. 12 and 18 are non-co-prime. Non-co-prime numbers. Okay, we will see one more example of this co-prime and non-co-prime so that you will understand still better. We will take one example as 10 and here from your textbook itself we will take the example. Okay, we will take 10 and 33. Let's see 10 and 33. Factors of 10. So we will write like that. Okay, what I was doing that way you don't write. See here factors. Factors of 10 is equal to 1, 2, 5 and 10. Okay, and factors of 33. What are the factors of 33? 1, 3, 11 and 33 itself. Now in this common factors, 1 is the common factor. Okay, so we will write common factors 1. Therefore 10 and 33 are co-prime numbers. Only one should be the common factor, not any other. So these numbers are called co-prime number. Second, we will take, any one will take which have common factors 22 and 24. Let's see. So factors of 22 is equal to 1, 2, 11 and 22. And factors of 24 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 6, okay, and 8 and 24. So your common factors are 1, see common factor, 2 is the common factor, okay. So these are not, see 1 is also common factor, 2 is also common factor. So only 1, the number 1 should be the common factors. Therefore 22 and 24 are non-co-prime numbers. Okay, so this is your maths till year, this lesson, that is multiples and factors. Learn to find out the factors and you have to solve problem set 35. Okay, thank you.